What is a VA one-time close construction loan? If you are a veteran or active duty service member considering building a new home, you might be curious about the VA one-time close construction loan. This specialized mortgage option allows you to finance the purchase of land, the construction of a home, and the permanent mortgage all in one loan. This means you can avoid the hassle of multiple loans and closings. So, how does it work? First, this loan combines the lot purchase, construction financing, and permanent home loan into a single package. This approach simplifies the entire process, making it more efficient and less stressful. One of the standout features of this loan is that it requires only one closing. This reduces the closing costs and paperwork involved, saving you both time and money compared to traditional construction financing. Another significant advantage is that this loan can cover up to 100% of the costs related to land acquisition and home construction. This includes the VA funding fee, which can also be financed into the loan. As a result, you typically do not need a down payment, lowering your upfront costs significantly. Additionally, the interest rate is locked in before construction begins. This protects you from rising rates during the building phase, which can be a huge relief in a fluctuating market. During the construction period, you usually do not make any principal or interest payments. This can ease cash flow pressures while your new home is being built. Once the loan closes and construction starts, you do not need to requalify for the permanent mortgage after the construction is complete. This simplifies the transition from building to moving in. This loan is available for various property types, including one-unit stick-built homes, modular homes, manufactured homes, planned unit developments, and even barn dominiums. However, it is important to note that the property must be your primary residence. To qualify for this loan, the general contractor must be VA approved and carry the necessary insurance. They also need to provide a 1-year VA builder's warranty. The VA requires periodic inspections during construction to ensure that all standards are met. Typically, a minimum credit score of around 620 is needed to qualify for the loan. For real estate investors focused on residential properties for owner-occupants, this loan can be a useful tool for financing new construction projects. It allows for minimal upfront cash and reduces the administrative burden often associated with traditional loans. However, keep in mind that this loan is strictly limited to primary residences and cannot be used for investment properties or second homes. The single loan structure helps control costs and interest rate risk, which can be beneficial when managing construction timelines and budgets. In essence, the VA one-time close construction loan streamlines financing for eligible veterans building a new home. By combining land purchase, construction, and permanent mortgage into one loan, it offers convenience and favorable terms that align well with the needs of veteran homebuyers.